You can use an antler tine to do pressure flaking. Just round the tip off a bit. Get you a leather pad, put the point on here, and then just push into the edge. So you can pressure flake with a deer antler tine. There's nothing wrong with that. If you put an antler tine in a piece of wood, then you can get more power into the pressure flaking. So now it's more comfortable to pressure flake with the antler tine after it's put in some wood. Just get on there and push. You can make nice pressure flakes with just this antler embedded in some wood. So I take my regular pressure flaker, I taper the end of it here so it's sticking this wood, put the wood block up in my belly. Now I can apply much more pressure using the lever action here. So be sure to get up on the edge of the chair, look straight down over your work, put that block in your belly there, right up in the corner, and then start pressure flaking. You can feel it, and you can apply more pressure using your legs and your arm. Sometimes I get edge to edge flaking on big pieces with this. These flakes are running to the middle. You have to have a nicely prepared edge, and those flakes just run. You have to have just a little bit of a bevel. You get a lot of power this way. Okay, so anyway, this system allows me to get a little more energy into the pressure flaking. I can run longer flakes, and I can make nicer blades. Also, I can take this block and put it on a longer stick, and put the block up under my arm, up in my armpit, and get some big pressure flakes using that technique as well. So try different length sticks in the block and different positions in your body, and I'm pretty sure you'll find a place where you can get more power into your pressure flaking. Okay, thank you for watching.